Hey Siri, play the music.
Yes.
Hey Siri, play the music.
Go ahead.
Hey Siri, play the music.
Yes.
You're taking a photo of yourself.
Huh?
Are you taking a photo of yourself?
Yeah, video of myself.
Good afternoon guys, I just finished my duty and I am now going home. I didn't wait for the rain to stop because I really wanted to go home. Not because I'm hungry, I just want to go home early, mate.
It is now 6 o'clock. We're heading out again. Yeah, I just charged my bike.
Good morning guys, how are you today? I hope you're having a good time. Yeah mate. Yeah, today we are going to the gym. Yeah, this is going to be my first day. I just had my membership 2 days ago. I think it's okay. Yeah, I already wasted 2 days. Yeah, the payment started 2 days ago, but it's okay. I was lazy to go. I don't know, because the weather last time was not really good. Yeah, today we are going to the gym. Yeah, we're going to eat first in McDonald's. Just the cheapest burger that they have. Okay, we're now heading to the gym. I just had a breakfast there. I saw some people, they are biking also.
Yeah, I just leave my bike there.
Okay, so I tried this one and it works here. And you feel it here also. And I'm now going to use this leg press, calf raise. Basically the purpose is for the, you know, for the legs, right here. And this is how to do this. 6 mite. It's another thing for the legs. It's called the leg extension. And this is how to do it, and we will do it now. Yeah, this is another thing for the legs, and as you can see at the back of the legs, yeah, and this is how to do it. And then, yeah, this one is the thing for the chest. As you can see in the picture, it's like that. Also in the neck. I don't know, man. Yeah. And you know, using this machine, you can really feel it here. Yeah. Once you push it like going this, you feel it here. And it feels good. I almost forgot to put back the weights. Look at here. Yes. And my bike is here. And I asked the reception if it is okay to keep my bike here. And he said there will be no problem until someone's complain. So we wait for that. Thanks. The last time I went to the gym was when I was still living in Sydney, in Fitness First. Yeah, in Fitness First it's $26 per week. That's expensive. And then here it's just $12.99 per week. Still expensive because there is a cheaper one, but I prefer in there. Yeah, you know, I started working out when I was in the Philippines. Yeah, that time I was very skinny, very insecure, no confident, the same like today, but I have more now. I mean, yeah, before when I was not working out, I feel very skinny. This one is very soft. And you know, at work when I was working in the French baker, some ladies, some of the colleagues, they will ask you, Kuya, can you take that one? And they will hold this one. Kuya, can you take that one? And they will hold the bicep. And it feels, you know, shy that it was very skinny to touch. But now it's not like that. Until now, it's not. It's hard. Even before when I was working in Armani Hotel, one of the chef, he touched me this because can you take me that one? And he touched me here. Usually they touch people, right? So they touched me in the bicep, and he was surprised that I am skinny but the muscle is strong. Yeah, mate. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you know, working out will give you a little bit of confidence of how you feel and how you look about physical appearance. Maybe in the first week you feel very what's that? Actually, on the very first day it was very tiring. It is very painful. I mean, very sore after working out. But like after 1 week, you will like it because you will feel the result in your mind and in your body. Even other people, they will not notice the changes in your body, but you feel it. And you know, I was having a hard time before to start going to the gym because first of all, I am shy, I'm hesitant to go to the gym because the people there, I am expecting that they have a nice body, and if I get inside, they will notice me and they will think that I am very skinny. Yeah, so I look for the timings that there are not too much people in the gym. Yeah. And actually I look at the door and checking if there are more people or less people. And when I've noticed that there are no people around there inside, I get inside and I look to the desk and ask how much is the membership, how to do, what to do. Yeah. And the good thing is that, you know, the first instructor that I have is, I mean, he is also the owner of the gym. It was in financial, no, it's in the professional tower in the Bonnie Avenue, if you know that. Yeah, professional tower in Bonnie Avenue beside the, I think it's Horizon Hotel. Yeah, on the rooftop of that there is a gym, a small gym, but they have all the equipment. Yeah, nice. I think it's 500 pesos every month. Yeah, yeah, that's where I first work out, because during the time I was studying in Rizal Technological University. Yeah, and then before, and I was working in the French Baker. So usually I work from 6 to 4 or 6 to 3, and then 4 to 7 I'm in the school, and then 7 to or 8 to 9, 10 I am at the gym, and then I go home and then repeat the day after. I know some of you still didn't able to try to work out. You should try. Yeah, so basically these are the people who are, you know, they like a volunteer to, you know, volunteer to, you know, to plant these trees. No, not to plant, but to water the baby trees. Nice. Hey guys, good morning. It is now 5:12 and I am now preparing for, yeah, going to work. Yeah, you know, the pain, I can feel the pain in my chest and in the legs area. Yeah, that's because of the workout that I did yesterday. You know, this pain, this sore feels good. It just means that the workout that I did yesterday is working. Yeah.